So there's a gang beef that's going on between L.A. Hoover Crips, and the Fort Worth Hoover Crips. There's an old guy by the name of Gumby. An old named Gumby. Let me tell you, crowd, something. You washed up California. You look tired, huh? It's early in the morning. Who don't look tired when they first wake up in the morning? Get your out of here about what it look like. How I always talking about what it look like. So listen, L.A. Hoover Crips, first and foremost. You got some grown 50s. Every last, this older than me, y'all. L.A. Gumby Hoover. This nigga Gumby. I'm kicking Fort Worth off the set. Homie, listen. You niggas on the set over there. On Figueroa. Hoovers. You don't run nothing. Speak up. I'm behind you. Block. Behind me. Get your man, stop it. Homie, this is old. But the Fort Worth looks is stupid. Kunta, OG, all these microphones on the street. Man, it is what it is. Homie, I'm from Fort Worth, Texas. You Fort Worth Hoovers ain't been active since y'all was teenagers. You talking about 93, 94. Fort Worth Hoover Crips ain't been cripping Hoover since 93. Is you coming back in 2025 hollering Hoover. I'm a Hoover. I spirits, I kill you souls, and I assassinate you image. A Crip ain't shit in real life. Detroit, Michigan, block. We keep seeing you right there. A Crip ain't shit in real life. So where Key Talk Media at? Key Talk, where you at? Because I want to hear this. In real life. Hoover Crip in California. A Hoover Crip in Texas. A Hoover Crip in Miami. You ain't Crip. A Blood out of New York. You ain't Blood. Crip and Bloods. You ain't shit. Your mama ain't shit and your kids ain't shit. Matter of fact, Blueface. Fuck your homies. Your homies. On dead homies. Lie on your dead homies more than anybody. Where Dewberry been? Block. Word about the fuck. Homies. You ain't done nothing for your homies. Your homies' mothers. Our Crips and Bloods. Y'all dead homies. I'll piss on Nipsey Hussle grave. Listen, man, I'll piss on you grave. Chicago. Block. You in the cities your mamas don't even own houses in. Your mother is a renter, is a leaser. And you claiming a block the don't even live on no more. Fort Worth Hoovers, I just left the city. Y'all doing bad. Y'all live with a bitch. You ain't got no health insurance. You ain't got no car insurance. You ain't got a car insurance. You ain't got dental insurance. You got side teeth. Teeth missing. He didn't mean Nip. Yes, I did. I meant Nipsey Hussle. I piss on Nipsey Hussle. The Rolling 60, neighborhood Crip Nip, neighborhood Nip. Y'all been hollering the marathon continue. Where's the marathon continue? Y'all don't even wear marathon shirts no more. So I mean Nipsey Hussle too. His daughter turned into a little out there. She went back to her mama. Because she don't want to be with Black Sam with their mahogany. She want to rep the LA. So she gonna begin, she gonna get down with the C. They go tap into her little too, Nip little daughter, them 60 too, cuz, everybody. So what do you represent Hoovers for? What do Hoovers do besides boys in prison? Gumby, you told a story. Your leader tried to you. Everybody know the Hoovers boys. Hoover Crips are known for other gang members. What the want to be down with for? Y'all look retarded, stupid. You granddaddies. You granddaddies. Your grandkids ain't been to the zoo. You didn't take them to the fair. They getting a free lunch today. They gonna be hungry when they get out of school. And guess what? Paw ain't even got a truck. You the granddaddies with no trucks. Look how shame, man. You down to Paw with no trucks. Online arguing. These 50-something. These are the granddaddies who can't take you fishing. Paw, can we? You got to come on, my. You wouldn't say that if you was alive. You wouldn't say that if he was alive. I did say he was alive. I watched him get. I watched the big get. He wasn't tough. What make y'all think Nipsey Hussle was tough? And we watched him get holed out by his set. If you tough, your set don't hold you out. They ain't hold Big U out. We watched Nipsey Hussle get holed out. What makes y'all think he tough? Come on, keep talking. Where you at, baby? Like the 60s do. They throw up the fist. Before he turned around, he came back and kicked it.